guys, welcome back to the channel. In this episode, we have a lot planned. First, we're going to show you these new sick rims that we bought. I think they're going to look awesome on the car. So let's go take a look at it and install these sensors and go to the tire shop.
Alright guys, so these are the rims. We like them a lot. Nothing really transforms a car more than a good set of rims. And we're not really big on chrome. We didn't want to deviate too much from the OEM look, so we went with black. I think the black's just going to pop against the red car. So let's go put it on, just the rim, and just see how it's going to look. Well, that looks good, don't it?
Yeah, real good.
Ooh-wee. Love it. I think black is definitely the way to go. Black is so much better than chrome. So let's install the sensors and let's go to the tire shop. All right, we bought all new TPMS sensors. One of them was destroyed in the wreck, so we'd had to buy one anyway. Plus the other ones were 20 years old and the batteries, I don't know how long they last. So we figured we'd just buy all new ones. That way we'd be good to go. It didn't come with any instructions, not that I would have read it. But I wish it would have had some torque specs.
Alright guys, we got the sensors installed on the rims. Now we're going to go to the tire shop. The tire shop closes in about 2 hours, so let's get them on the truck and start heading that way. One more thing, these are directional tires, so they go a certain way, unlike most tires. So we labeled it just so they don't get it wrong. So let's start going that way and get the rims installed on the tires.
All right, we're on the way to the tire shop. It's starting to rain and it's freezing cold outside.
It ain't freezing yet.
Well, anything below about 50 in Louisiana is freezing. All right, we just went to O'Reilly's, picked up some brake fluid. We're gonna try to get the brakes bled down tomorrow, get all that back so we can get the tires mounted. And we bought the last air filter they had there for C5 Corvettes. So we're gonna get that in and get it all back put together. Now we gotta try to unload these tires in the rain. Maybe it's slacking off a little bit. All right, we did as much as we could today. We got the rims back home. They look sick. Them things are gonna look awesome on the car. Can't wait to get them installed tomorrow. But we're out of time for tonight. It is late, it's super cold, and we gotta go somewhere tonight. So we're gonna come back and get started on this early tomorrow.
All right, guys, it's the next day. It's super cold outside today, and it's just me and my dad. The rest are at work or school, and we wanna go get us some breakfast while it warms up. So first, let's go check the gate. There's a little issue with it.
Yeah, I don't think our gate survived the little snowmageddon we had here. It quit working. So we're gonna take it apart, see if there's something obvious, something that we need while we're in town. We can pick it up and try to get it fixed.
So let's go take a look at it and see all what we need.
All right.
All right, guys, we're back from breakfast. It's a few degrees warmer outside.
Not too much.
Yeah, we got the heater going.
Yeah, it's helping a little bit.
So we're gonna install 2 tires on that side.
Yeah, we're gonna do just a few projects because we have a ton of work to do outside today. We still gotta fix the gate.
We're gonna install the air filter.
Yeah, so we'll put 2 tires on that side just to see how it's gonna look with the complete setup. We're only gonna use 2 lug nuts because it's not gonna be permanent because we still have to bleed the brakes down and get all the air out. And I bought some .4. You can put .3 or .4 in Corvettes. .3 is probably better if you're not gonna do any of your racing track racing. .4 has a higher boiling temperature, but the only bad thing at .4, it's basically .3 with some additives, but those additives help absorb more water, which is bad. So if you use .4, you need to change it every 2 years. So figure we'll go with this because we need to flush it anyway. And also, we got a package in the mail. I don't know what it is. It shows brake rotors. Did you order brake rotors?
I did.
So let's open this now. I'm curious to see what this is. Let's see. No telling. Definitely not a brake rotor. Too right. know what that is? It's our headlight cover. So our other one was busted pretty bad in the wreck. I didn't want to try to waste a ton of time fixing it. So I'm gonna go on the driver's side. I'm sure other people can fix this, but it was so cracked right here. There's no way I could fix that. So I just bought a whole another one. That'll go to the painter. We're not gonna paint this car ourselves. Maybe the next one we'll do ourselves. So we got that in. You can do the air filter, 2 tires, and then we got a ton of work to do outside. Let's get started.
Alright, we got the 2 tires installed on the right side. I think they look great. I'm glad we went with the black color.
Yeah, the black really pops on a red car. I love that a lot. Good job.
Yeah, they look good. So now let's go get the air filter installed. Alright, now let's go install the air filter. The last one was pretty dirty, so I'm gonna put a new one in.
Yeah, that was the last one at O'Reilly's. I tried to get a Wix, but they didn't have that. That was the only one. Gotta go down, wire up, make sure it's all fit snug. There you go. Keep your thumb on it so it don't fall out. Might have to pull up on that.
What on this?
On that plastic piece. It's all shifted down from not being connected.
Is that good?
Yeah, I'll connect it together. So we got that done. Really all we have left, put a new radiator hose on. So we'll do that. And then our next biggest thing, we're gonna finish up the ABS. I still haven't connected all of these yet. So we're gonna connect all that, bleed the brakes, and that's it. Then we could bring it to the frame shop, get the frame pulled out, and then finish up. All right, guys, that's gonna be it for today's video. We didn't get a whole lot done, but we did a lot of little things. Got the new tires on, air filter done, opened up some boxes. I don't know what all we did today, but we did a lot of little things. We got a ton of work to do outside because of the little snowmageddon we had this week. So hopefully tomorrow we'll get the ABS finished up, get the brakes bled down, get the radiator hose on, get all the tires mounted, and try to schedule something at a frame shop somewhere. So we're gonna get to work outside, and we will see you next time.